So today I am playing my ice cream truck. I've been playing it for a while now. I guess I just didn't know how to record it. I've been trying to find out ways to record these things, but I found out today, so I'm like, why don't I try it out? Maybe it'll go good, maybe it won't. I just hope it does, because I've had very bad experiences with trying to do these things, because last time I tried to record a video, it ended up failing, because I recorded like maybe an hour long video and everything, it just stopped recording, and I don't know why. That's why I've been checking this, so I'm like, oh, please don't stop recording. So I'm very super scared, hoping it'll work. Probably only do a little bit long to see this. Okay. She wants this restart. So, yes. I guess I don't really have anything to talk about. Life's kind of boring. Okay. So, that's that. Let's see. Oh no. There. Like that. Okay, now I throw this in. Ooh, the day's up. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I think I'll do 3 things. I don't really have a schedule for this much because, I haven't made videos in a very long time. And that's because I've been handling, things. I've been out and about lately. Okay. So I think I'll do 3 per video, maybe, or more. Ooh, I don't really know. Well, let me give it to her. There. I just hope it's recording. Ugh. Oh, dang it, I pressed the back button. So, any recommendations would be good, or something like that, Okay, first customer. Okay. This. Are you still recording? Yes, you're recording still. I don't know how to work this. I've been looking for things to do this with, because I haven't really found anything good to use to record. Like I said last time when I was recording, do like an hour or something like that, and it stopped recording in like half a video, so yeah. I only got like 3 seconds of it, which sucked so much because it was so awesome, and I was talking about what I was doing, and it was a different game. Maybe I'll play in the next one, but I had a lot of problems with that one. I don't know if it was the one I used, the recorder I used, or if it was just the game, because it didn't work good with it or something. Trying to find out why it didn't work and stuff. So yeah, I might do 3. I don't know. Maybe. Oh no! Why we stop that? Oh, we do hers. Done, done. We don't need any angry customers. Oh, here I got his. Probably like, hey, you forgot his. You still have his. Is it a him? Her? I'm sorry, ma'am. Sassing me all the time. Oh no, I might do 2, 3. I do not know. I think I'll do 3 for a start, and then I'll start making longer ones. Because, I don't know, it matters on my feedback, and I'm a small YouTuber, like, I only have 4, 2, 3, something. I don't have a lot of subscribers, that's what I'm trying to get at, okay? So, 1 more, and then I'll finish this story.